There's actually two overall objectives when it comes to mobile. First is the obvious, making sure that they understand how to land nav, triangulate, make sure they're able to pass this information on to their students when they go ahead and teach this over at the 22nd Training Squadron. But the other part, and just as important, is it's a gut check. We want to make sure these students are going to be capable to be able to take any kind of scenario that we deal with, any kind of terrain that we deal with, so they can once again pass that on to the 22nd and be a viable asset to those future warfighters.
This is important because when they learn this stuff, such as triangulation, bring them up to Kalispell Peak, let them see the entire training area, point-to-point navigation so they can go from point A to point B without getting lost, as well as using the terrain to their advantage. How this applies to them once they graduate and move on is they're going to be in charge of teaching the Air Force high-risk isolation personnel navigation skills, since that way they can be successful at navigating and essentially get themselves recovered if it comes down to that point.
First one at the top of Kalispell Peak from Orlando, Florida. Never done anything like this before. Definitely one of the toughest things I've ever done.